If you're looking for a cheap travel cooler, check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just bought this because it was one of the cheapest little travel coolers I could find, and I am hoping that it will be just the right size for most of your normal applications. So, it comes just like this, very flat. I got it in this color scheme here, which is kind of this gray twill look here, but it's just a little square cooler. What's cool about this is that it was only $8, so I'm hoping that it will work for just taking some drinks on the road with me, on the golf course, when you're headed out on a hike, those types of things. So what we get here is this insulated pocket. That insulation material is on the top and the bottom. You can see that it's that kind of heavy rubberized silver plastic, right? I would say that the depth here is not super deep, but what I want to show you here is I have a standard size pop can, and while you can probably put them up like this and then just kind of force this thing closed, what you can certainly do is lay this down, have lots of extra space in there for other drinks, your lunch, your sandwiches, other snacks, those types of things. And then up here what we have is a mesh pocket, so you can put other things here that you want separated, utensils, towels. And if I close it up here, and then on this side we have another mesh pocket, so you can put a water bottle here if you want quick access to stuff. It has a handle right up here on the top, which also has this little buckle release, so I'm not sure if you wanted to extend this with a shoulder harness or something like that. So that's kind of interesting, but then you can grab it just like this, carry it around like a lunchbox, and then you can also put some more stuff right in here. And that has an insulated lining as well, so front pocket right there. So I will say it's just about the right size, kind of 12 inches tall, maybe 11 inches wide here, and maybe about 4 or 5 inches deep. So this is perfect for a lunchbox, but like I said, you know, for me, I can take a few Gatorades on the golf course. You can take drinks to a kid's soccer game. You can have snacks for your kids. You know, especially in the hot summer, you want something that's stylish, that's portable, but will allow you to take stuff with you so that you have it to stay hydrated when it gets really hot. I think this is pretty clever. And like I said, only about $8 on Amazon. So if you want to pick this little bad boy up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever, thanks to Peter Von Panda.